By hook or by crook, we need to get this coal power plant back.
Yeah, I agree with you, Mr. Saanjiv.
But you do know it costs a lot of money, right?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that the Finance Ministry will agree with us since it can benefit to all of us.
But I think both of us can agree on that.
Yeah, yes.
What are you guys talking about?
We're thinking about building a coal power plant.
Coal power plant.
Yeah.
You know, this coal power plant has more disadvantages than the advantages itself.
I would disagree. I think it's a revolution.
You would disagree.
Yeah.
Boys, we need to have a talk. Come.
3.
Boys, do you know when coal is burned, you get a lot of pollutants and particulates such as sulfates, lead, mercury, and they're like very dangerous to your health. Do you know that?
No, we didn't.
And this is just not it. And the health impacts may range to cancer, breathing problems such as asthma, and in worst case scenario, you may have a premature death. Do you guys see how dangerous is it?
Now after explaining, we might reconsider our actions.
Welcome to the Fatheeni Afternoon News. I'm Fatheeni. Today, we bring to you the most concerning issues in Alaska. Acid rain has become a major local ecological pollution, such as fish kills, dying forests, and other marshes. The excess presence of sulfur dioxide in rainwater is the main cause of acid rain. Most of the factories here have been urged to take a look at these issues and take serious prevention of it. To reduce and protect global acid rain, it is necessary to identify the cause and control strategy of it, said by our president. We will never let these issues become worse and worse. We need to protect our Alaska.
Hey Avella, what is your opinion?
We will conduct 2 experiments, Experiment 1 and Experiment 2. In these experiments, we will use 2 types of coal A and coal B, to determine the empirical formula for both coals. This is the coal that we will use, coal A and coal B.
Wow, that's a very good idea. What else can we do with coal A and coal B to determine which is less harmful to the environment?
Oh yeah, I'm not sure about that.
Hey, how are you guys doing?
So I'm doing good, sir. How about you, sir?
What are you guys doing?
We're still thinking about how to know the harmful of coal A and coal B to the environment.
So you mean the contribution to the acid rain?
Yes, kind of.
Okay, so what have you guys done till now? You've calculated the empirical formula?
Yes.
Okay, you also need to calculate how much is the sulfur content in each of them, because when you burn the coal and it produces sulfur acid, okay, it goes up to the sky and then it comes down as acid rain. So the less sulfur content it has, the less harmful it is to the environment.
Also, we need to calculate the concentration for the coal.
For the sulfur and the coal.
Also.
Yeah. Okay. If you guys need anything else, you can let me know.
Okay, sure.
Firstly, we have to calculate the mass of each component except oxygen by dividing the mass with its total molar mass and multiply it by the molar mass itself. In order to find the oxygen mass, we have to minus the total mass minus the mass of each element that we had calculated before. While for the empirical formula, we need to list down all the elements that existed in the compound. Then calculate the moles by dividing the mass with molar mass. In order to get the empirical formula, we have to divide the moles by the simplest moles. Then for step 3, we have to calculate the percentage of sulfur by dividing the mass of sulfur with the total mass of the compound. We then apply the same step and calculation for coal B. We can now see that the percentage of sulfur in coal B is higher than coal A.
So Vishal, based on the calculation, it's proven that coal A is better than coal B. It's because the sulfur composition in coal A is lesser than coal B.
Hey guys, what you guys doing?
Hi Miss.
Yeah.
We're discussing about the result of our calculation for this experiment.
Oh really? What experiment?
So from this experiment, when the coals burn, the sulfur will turn into sulfide. Then it will react with oxygen to produce vitriol. That vitriol will actually form acid rain. So the acid rain will do extremely harm to plants and human health.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, great. How about you, Vishal? Do you want to add something?
Yep, I am sure of adding something, which is the prevention method of acid rain from occurring. So first of all is that we place scrubbers on the power plant, which can reduce the emission of sulfur dioxide gas to the environment. Okay. So second of all is that we wash the coal before using for the power plant. So this is also another method to reduce the emission of sulfur dioxide gas to the environment as well.
Okay, great. Yeah, you have done a good job. Yeah.
So that is all from us, I think. So this is our group. Group 3 for chemistry lab assignment. Yeah. So we are doing the coal power plant project. So that is all from us. Thank you. Bye.